In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to create an API key inside of Google AI Studio. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to aistudio.google.com. What's from here, it should look something like this. Now from here you'll need to go over to the left hand side and go over to where it says Get API Key. Once from here, it should be looking something like this, where you'll be able to see that you can group by either the API key or the project. Now from here you'll need to go over to where it says Create API Key over here. And from here, you'll need to name the specific API key that you want to create. So let's just call it test for now. From here, you'll need to add the choose and an imported project, and then you'll just need to find the specific project that you want to create this API key for. So let's just choose the default Gemini project that I previously created. Once from here, you'll simply need to click Create Key. And once from here, you'll be able to see all of the API details like the API key, the name, the project name, and the project number. You'll then be able to copy CURL quick start or copy key by clicking one of these, or you'll also be able to delete the key straight away by clicking on delete key right here. But that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please send down in the comment section below. I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!